Hey everyone, welcome back to SAS Beast Pro. Today, we're diving deep into 7 Dropbox settings on PC you must enable today. These settings will help you organize your files smarter, protect your data better, and make Dropbox work like your personal digital assistant. So, if you're ready to level up your storage game, now let's get started. Number 1. Enable Selective Sync folders. This setting is a total space saver. It lets you decide which folders stay physically stored on your computer and which remain safely in the cloud, keeping your system lighter and faster. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Click the Dropbox icon in your system tray or notification area. You'll find it near the bottom right corner of your screen on Windows, or at the top on Mac. Step 2. Once the Dropbox panel opens, click your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Preferences to open the Settings window. Step 3. In the Preferences window, go to the Sync tab. This is where Dropbox manages what files stay on your device. Step 4. If you're using both a personal and a work account, choose the account you want to adjust before proceeding. Step 5. Click on Selective Sync. You'll now see a list of all your Dropbox folders. Step 6. Uncheck any folders you don't need stored locally. These folders will stay in your Dropbox cloud storage and can be accessed anytime through Dropbox.com without taking up space on your hard drive. Number 2. Turn on folder backup now. Backing up your computer folders is one of the smartest things you can do. It ensures that your desktop, documents, and downloads are always protected and automatically synced to the cloud, even if something happens to your PC. Let's do it. Step 1. Open the Dropbox desktop app by clicking its icon in the system tray or menu bar. Step 2. Click on your profile picture or initials, then select Preferences to open your Dropbox settings. Step 3. Inside Preferences, navigate to the Backups tab. This is where Dropbox handles automatic folder protection. Step 4. Click the Setup button, or if you already have backups, click Manage Backups to modify them. Step 5. Under the section labeled Add a Backup, select your current computer from the list. Step 6. A window will appear showing your key folders, desktop, documents, downloads, and others. Check the boxes for all the folders you want to automatically back up. Step 7. Click Set Up or Backup to begin the process. Dropbox will start syncing your selected folders securely to the cloud. Mac users may need to confirm permissions. Simply click OK when prompted to allow access. Number 3. Disable offline files access. This feature is perfect for keeping your device clutter-free. By disabling offline access for certain folders, Dropbox ensures that only the most important files stay on your PC while the rest remain online only, saving valuable space. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Click the Dropbox icon located in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Step 2. In the small Dropbox window that appears, click your avatar or profile icon in the bottom left corner and choose Preferences from the menu. Step 3. In the Preferences window, switch to the Sync tab to access synchronization settings. Step 4. Click the Selective Sync button, then click Select Folders. This will show you every Dropbox folder currently synced to your PC. Step 5. Uncheck the folders you want to make online only. These will no longer take up local storage space. Step 6. Finally, click Save, then Confirm. Dropbox will remove the offline copies of those folders, keeping everything else safe in the cloud. Number 4. Configure link sharing security. Sharing files securely is essential, especially when you're working with clients or sensitive information. Dropbox gives you advanced link settings, letting you add passwords, set expiration dates. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Right-click on any file, folder, or Dropbox space you want to share, then select Share from the pop-up list. Step 2. In the sharing window, click Create Link or Copy Link to generate a shareable link for your item. Step 3. Next, click Link Settings to open advanced options. Here you can choose who can view the file, set a password for extra protection, or assign an expiration date so the link automatically disables later. Step 4. Once you're done, click Save to apply your settings. You can now copy and paste the link into an email or send it directly from Dropbox by clicking Share. Number 5. Disable Dropbox notifications. If you're tired of constant pings from Dropbox, this setting is for you. Disabling unnecessary notifications helps you focus better by silencing non-critical alerts while keeping essential updates active. Let's do it. Step 1. Click the Dropbox icon in your system tray or menu bar to open the Quick Access panel. Step 2. Click your profile photo, initials, or the gear icon, then select Preferences or Settings from the drop-down. Step 3. In the Preferences window, go to the Notifications tab. This is where Dropbox manages alerts for activity, updates, and promotions. Step 4. You'll see a list of checkboxes for different types of notifications. Toggle off everything you don't want to receive, like file activity, updates, or marketing news. Step 5. Close the Preferences window. Your choices are saved automatically, so you can enjoy a quieter, more focused workspace. Number 6. Manage bandwidth usage settings. This setting helps balance your internet usage. If your uploads or downloads feel slow, customizing Dropbox bandwidth ensures it doesn't hog your connection, while still keeping your files up to date. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Click the Dropbox icon in your system tray, then open Preferences by selecting your profile picture or initials. Step 2. Once inside, click the Network tab. This is where Dropbox handles all connection and bandwidth options. Step 3. To let Dropbox automatically optimize your speed, make sure Allow Dropbox to manage bandwidth for best performance is enabled. Step 4. For manual control, check the option Customize Upload and Download Rate Limits. From here, use the drop-down menus to either select Limit automatically or Limit to and manually set your upload and download speeds. Step 5. Once configured, close the window. Dropbox will apply your custom bandwidth preferences immediately. Number 7. Enable file version. History. This is your safety net against accidental edits or deletions. With file version history, Dropbox automatically stores older versions of your documents, so you can roll back any mistakes with ease. Let's do it. Step 1. Open your Dropbox folder on your computer by double-clicking the Dropbox icon or opening it from File Explorer. Step 2. Find the file you want to check, right-click it, and hover over the Dropbox option in the context menu. Step 3. Click Version History. Your browser will open a Dropbox page showing all previous versions of that file. Step 4. Review the list of versions, preview if needed, and select Restore on the version you want to bring back. Dropbox will instantly replace the current version with your chosen one. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit subscribe and stay tuned to SAS Beast Pro for more tech tricks, tutorials, and smart digital upgrades every week.